3 divided by 3 gives us 1. And again here we have 3 divided by 3. So 1 divided by 1, which gives us 1. What this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, when we have more than one division in an expression, we have to work from left to right. So here, first we have to do this division, then this division, and finally this division. If we do this division before this division, it is wrong. So, first this division, 3 divided by 3 is just 1. So, 1 divided by 3, and again divided by 3. No, we have to do this division. 1 divided by 3 can be written as 1 over 3, then divided by 3. Now, according to the KCF rule, K stands for key, C stands for change, and the F stands for Philip. We can write, keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and fill up the second fraction. So we have 1 over 3 times 1 over 3, which equals 1 times 1 gives us 1, so 1 over 3 times 3, which equals 9. So we have 1 over 9, and this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 1 over 9.